Start by cutting the sides to width on the table saw and then to length on the chop saw. Once the sides are cut, a rabbet is cut into each panel so that the back panel can fit one. Holes are drilled into the bottom panel for pocket screws. One and a half inch plywood strips are cut on the table saw. These strips will be used to support the storage panels. The 1-inch strips are then glued onto the side panels and reinforced from the outside by screws. The shelf is then built with storage hooks for my drill and impact driver. Holes for pocket screws are then drilled in the shelf and it is glued together. Now it is time to attach the bottom panel of the cabinet. This is done with pocket screws. Once the bottom panel is attached, the middle shelf and upper shelf are both attached using pocket screws. Now that the cabinet is assembled, it is measured and the back panel is cut to fit. Then the back panel is glued in place. The top is constructed from leftover pre-finished bamboo flooring. The tongues are cut off the end pieces and it is glued together. Once the glue has dried, the ends are trimmed flush. Plywood supports are then added to the bottom of the tabletop. These will give strength to the top, as well as connect it to the cabinet. Edge banding is applied to all visible plywood surfaces to give the cabinet a more finished look. Are then run from the outside of the cabinet into the plywood supports at the top. Finally, it's time to add the wheels to make this cabinet into a cart. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 3 where I finish the cart and cabinets and set them up behind us. Thank you.